Here is a hard truth most learners never want to hear. If you understand Italian but you can't speak, you are not fluent. You are not even close. And this is what keeps learners stuck for months, even years. As a neuro-language coach and former university lecturer, I have helped total beginners and busy professionals and even pro athletes and actors get unstuck and become fluent fast. And they were all making the same silent mistake. The one no one dares to talk about. But the good news, it's 100% fixable. So in this video I'll show you why you are stuck at Capisco ma non parlo, I understand but I don't speak it. How language skills really grow and what blocks it, and how to flip the switch from passive learning to confident real-world speaking. Let's start with the trap that holds most learners hostage without them even realizing. You understand Italian, podcasts, TV shows, even conversations, but when it's your turn to speak, you freeze. This feels like you are 90% fluent, right? Wrong. You have built a one-leg table. That's not fluency, that's passive fluency. And it's a trap, because language is not a spectator sport. Let me ask you this and be fully honest in your comments. Is it of any use to you? I understand, but I can't speak when you are in Italy or with Italians. If you answered no, it's because language isn't just something you receive, it's something you do. It's 4 skills working together: listening, speaking, reading and writing. And if you ignore one, especially speaking, your growth stalls. Understanding without speaking is fake fluency. Imagine someone who can understand football strategy but never touches the ball. Would you call them a player or a spectator? You are not bad at speaking, you are just untrained. Understanding is your brain's recognition muscle. Speaking is your recall plus performance muscles. Different jobs, different training. Now, pause the video, take as long as you need to rate yourself from 1 to 10 on each of those 4 skills. Write them in the comments, because we'll come back to this in a few months together. If speaking is the lowest one, this is your weak link. That's your focus. Let's be real, you are probably doing more input than ever. Videos, audiobooks, movies, 10 hours a week, easy. But here is the thing. Input without output does not create fluency. It creates comfort, familiarity, the illusion of improvement. You think you are improving just because you're watching more content, but you are just reinforcing what you already know. So, mistake number 1, passive fluency is a trap. Now, imagine watching hours of people lifting weights without ever touching a dumbbell yourself. Would your muscles grow? Of course not. Language is no different. You don't need more content, you need activation. You need to get what's in your head out of your mouth. Input without output creates an illusion of progress. Real fluency requires activation, not just exposure. This is an exercise you can do today. Pick one video or podcast you love. After watching it, talk out loud about it for 60 seconds. Do it, even if it's messy, especially if it's messy, because that's the only way it becomes yours. Once you are done, write it down what you just said. Hitting a wall, making lots of mistakes, it's not exactly what you wanted to say out loud. Good. Your brain is working out and getting better at different skills. Keep going. Let them work together as one. Now read it out 3 times, make the necessary corrections and integrations. Once you think it's possible, don't seek perfection, please. Cover what you wrote and retell it out loud. Mistake number 2, Capisco isn't a progress, it's a plateau. It's not all. Let's talk about your habits, because if you have been passively learning for months, your routine is the problem. Fluency does not grow from exposure, it grows from repetitions. Think of a baby learning to walk. They don't study walking, they try, fall, get up, try again. That's how speaking works. Some homework for you. Pick one topic per day. Your job, your weekend, your dream trip. Record yourself speaking about it for 60 seconds. Rewatch it. Re-record it. Improve just one thing at a time. Do not overload your brain. Then do it again tomorrow. That's how fluency is built. Not with magic, with momentum. Look, this isn't about guilt. It's about clarity. If you have been stuck at Capisco, ma non parlo for more than a few months, you are not progressing. You are stalling. It feels productive, but it's not. Fluency lives in output. Speaking gets easier when it becomes a habit. So if you are serious about mastering Italian, speak, even badly, even slowly, because if you don't speak it, you don't own it. So mistake number 3, not building output habits. Now, I have a question for you. Your Italian isn't stuck. You are. What are you waiting for? Start now, not next month, not after your birthday, your holidays, your God knows what. You got this, and I'm here to push you when you forget it. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao.